Welcome to this module. Now that we're all set up and learned how we set up our IDE and create our first Angular experience, let's dive into our course project. Now you will learn how the mean stack works on a real project. We'll build a simple posting messaging-like app where users can create and edit and delete posts and see the posts of other users, which they can't edit though. So a mini social network, we could say. This is what we built, and we'll actually start with the Angular front end. So if we have a look at our big picture here on how the mean stack works, we're going to focus on the left side here, on the client side. And the reason for this simply is that by doing that, we can see something very quickly. The backend holds a lot of logic, but we don't see that much of that if we don't have a front end where we can actually render our data and display it. So we'll start with the left part because we can always work with some dummy data until we have the real backend added, but we get a beautiful UI right from the start. So this is what we'll start with in this module. And I will also give you a brief reintroduction to Angular. Now, I strongly recommend going through a dedicated Angular course first. This is not a course that teaches you Angular from the ground up, but I will cover the important basics and briefly refresh them so that we're all on the same page. Now with that, let's jump right into it. Let's create a new Angular project and let's start building our course project with it.